upon a time, there was a black cat. It was a boy cat. His name was Rabbit. He lived with his mother and sister in a very fantastic castle. Ever since he was a little cat, Rabbit always dreamed that he could become a boy and fly in the sky. One day, his mother told him, "I'm going to visit your grandma. You must not get in the castle because there is an evil magician who lives there." When Mother left, Rabbit woke his sister up. "Hey, Mother has gone. Come on, let's go out play." But his sister was sleepy and shouted to him, "Meow, go away. Leave me alone." So Rabbit went out and played in the garden by himself. He saw a tall tree near the window of the castle. He forgot what his mother told him, and he climbed up a tree and jumped to the window. He saw the old man with the long hair and white beard sitting in the dark room. He must be a magician. I must not bother him. But Rabbit was so curious, and he climbed over to take a good look at the old man. Unfortunately, his foot slipped and he fell in. The magician woke up and saw Rabbit standing on his knee. "Where did you come from?" the old man asked. "I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but I fell from the window," said Rabbit. "Then you better fall down again," said the angry magician. Rabbit looked out the window and answered, "I'm too little. I can't climb up to there by myself. How I wish I could be a boy, or I wish I could fly home now." Cried the little black cat. The magician said, Okay, don't cry, please. Because today is my 100 years old birthday, I will make your wishes come true. Now, I'm going to turn you into a boy and have a wish woman fly you home. But you must promise me not to tell anybody about this." The magician closed his eyes and worked on his desk. Fly, Rabbit, fly! Suddenly, Rabbit became a lovely boy, and Wish Woman was riding him on a very funny flying broom. Cool! I'm flying! I couldn't believe it! I'm flying! My dream has come true! Rabbit was so excited and shouted, "Yes, you're flying, boy!" The ugly Wish Woman giggled. They flew over the top of huge trees and houses. They flew through many forests and mountains. A moment later, he landed in the garden. But there was no boy, no broom, and no more Wish Woman. Then he saw his mother coming. "What are you doing here?"